How academics use Twitter. Did you know academic Twitter was an actual thing? The most trending app nowadays has gained its popularity for a reason. With many of its obvious uses, it turns out Twitter is a great platform for engaging with the public, students, and professors around the world. So, today we'll discuss how Twitter is used by academics and why it's an excellent medium for sharing knowledge. Let's dive in. One of Twitter's major drawbacks, however, is that the hostility on this platform may discourage or even demotivate some users. Nevertheless, you might very well find that the benefits can outweigh the disadvantages. Choose to engage only when you are comfortable in doing so. That being said, Twitter is a fantastic tool because of all the features it offers. But did you realize it also plays a significant part in student education? Academic Twitter is a useful tool for networking, staying up to date with topics and discussions in your profession, and exchanging ideas and information with individuals all around the world. Besides helping you become aware of new trends, understanding how academic Twitter works and using the app for educational purposes also helps you learn new information through various viewpoints and methodologies as you subscribe to content from a variety of professionals in the field. No matter if you're an educational enthusiast, emerging scholar, or academic, you stand to profit greatly from exploring the Twitter arena. There are several benefits to tweeting about your academic work, projects, and ideas. So, let's find out some of the benefits academics receive from using Twitter in this context. Number 1. Profile building. One of the main reasons academics use Twitter is because it is the best platform for gaining recognition. When people see your work in person, they will undoubtedly look you up on Twitter. They'll pay attention to what you share, who you follow, and how you participate in conversations. Twitter helps level the playing field and raises your profile both inside the vibrant academic Twitter community and outside it. Number 2. Peer-to-peer networking. Academics also use Twitter to broaden their social circles. As Twitter allows you to interact with other academics, researchers, and industry professionals who are interested in similar areas of work as you. It is definitely a great place for acquiring more knowledge and discovering trends, research topics, and ideas. Social networking might even lead people to connect with one another and start a conversation on social media, which might pave the way for more substantial professional collaboration in the future. Number 3. Funding opportunities. Twitter's popularity among academics is also attributed to the fact that they use it to find funding and job opportunities. The largest research organizations are regular Twitter users, who provide updates, due dates, and research from the most recent funding rounds. As a result of the platform's powerful peer-to-peer networking capabilities, more academics and researchers in your sector are probably going to work together to find funding opportunities. Research funding opportunities can be found posted from time to time on Twitter by professors and other researchers in your field. Number 4. Dissemination of research. Twitter is one of the best ways for academics to disseminate their research. Gaining recognition from other experts and people is a huge benefit for academics. Hence, Twitter is an effective platform for promoting and spreading your research findings. Your followers can also play a huge role in getting the word out about your work to a larger audience when you tweet about your most recent pieces. Number 5. Public engagement. Twitter is a platform that academics use to communicate with the public. On social media, some academics are already conversing with the public in two directions, or including the public in their work, such as through citizen science. Your research stands a better chance of influencing a larger population if you involve the public in this way. Academic Twitter is a helpful tool for networking, keeping up with news and discussions relevant to your profession, and exchanging ideas and information with people all over the world. It has a number of benefits for academics, such as profile building, peer-to-peer networking, funding opportunities, dissemination of research, and public engagement. That is a wrap on this video. We hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure to press the like button. Tell us about what you've learned from Twitter academics and whether it has, overall, made your life easier. If you have any questions or comments regarding this topic, make sure to write them in the comments section below. Thank you for your service, educators. Until the next time, adios.